Hi guys, this is Non-Western Philosophy Week 14 discussion, so we're going to go into question 1. Which do you think is preferable, sudden or gradual enlightenment, and why? So kind of to dig into what sudden and gradual enlightenment is in Buddhism, there's a lot of discussion kind of cultivating enlightenment. And around enlightenment, we have mindfulness and awareness. So I'm going to compare mindfulness to gradual enlightenment and then awareness into sudden enlightenment. So when you're mindful, in a nutshell, it's ability to pay attention to something, hold your attention to a particular object or activity, but the key is to stabilize your focus. So whenever we go into sudden enlightenment or awareness, it's something that is more sophisticated. You can even ask, who is aware of what? Awareness is more than a 360-degree notation. It's the idea of subject and object is less important. So awareness is like a field or atmosphere in which everything is simultaneously illuminated. This is what Buddhists mean when they're talking about awareness being non-dual. It's said that a stabilized non-dual awareness maintained throughout the day and night is the nature of the mind, Buddha, that is, in fact. So whenever we kind of dive back into gradual and sudden enlightenment, I'm using this mindfulness and awareness to kind of help describe what each is. Gradual, as we know, is something that is little by little. You're easing into something, and then sudden is, bam, it hits you like a brick wall. So when it comes to enlightenment, personally, I like to get it over with. I don't want the slow and steady. I want it quick and I want it easy. So sudden enlightenment, to me, would be more ideal because it hits you and you understand it and you get it over with. However, gradual enlightenment is a path that most people follow due to its ability to kind of ease in. So, some argue that the concept of Buddha nature is anti-Buddhist, too close to the essentialist idea of an Atman soul. Do you agree or disagree? So, Buddha nature kind of being anti-Buddhist, Buddha nature being focused around the nature and how nature can affect things. Other than that, I don't necessarily agree that it is anti-Buddha. However, I don't know, let's dig into it a little bit more. So as I'm looking here, Buddha nature refers to the Buddhist terms of the womb, the embryo, or containing, literally means a Buddha realm. So Buddha nature is a central topic in Buddhism, which explains how it's possible that all sentient beings can attain the state of a Buddha. So this kind of allows us to know that Buddha nature is, there's not one holy. So anti-Buddhist is like a Buddha isn't real. If you kind of understand what I'm saying, I do believe Buddha nature is kind of a leading into an anti-Buddhist because Buddha nature allows people to think that anybody can be Buddha.